Smile. Love your wife. Laugh if you love your wife. Love you, mom. Cry if you want your wife to love you more.
We love me na.
O sige. Smile if you wanna leave your wife. Ikaw, tanong ka sa akin. Ano?
Your husband.
Smile if you want to leave your wife.
Smile if you want to leave your husband. Ba't kaya tatawa?
Sorry.